Okay, good afternoon to all. This is Amit Palka, and today we are going to learn all about listening. That is IELTS listening module, which is actually generally ignored by the student because they think it is really easy. But what if they think it is easy? So we should score band 9 rather than aiming oneself only at 6 and 6.5, because this is basically a mistake which every student does. He or she thinks that he or she has started taking 6.5 or sometimes 7 and they feel satisfied. But they must stretch themselves to score band 9 because it is the easiest, and in this way you can easily increase your overall band score. So let's introduce ourselves with the listening module. So here, listening actually, according to 2021 format, now it has 4 different parts. That is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So in all the 4 parts there are 10 questions. So now let's explain these 10 questions further. The very first part, that is part 1, the probability is that this part is going to be the blanks. Okay, that is Phillips. Now it could be either one word blank or 2 or 3. So it could be, maximum chances are it could be a one word blank. Maximum probability is that this is going to be the one word blanks. Now the part 2. This is generally either or consist of MCQs or map. So if you are going to have map in your listening, then it must be in part 2. According to the last status, according to the papers which I have listened and done so far, the map is generally maximum time it is in the part 2. Okay. Now the third part consists of MCQs, but definitely challenging one. These are not a kind of MCQs which we generally do in part 2, because in part 2 the MCQs are 3 out of 5 or 5 out of 7. So these MCQs are far easier than MCQs in the part 3. So now here comes the part 4, the last one. This is actually generally again blanks part, but from recent exams it has also been observed that they have started splitting this part in 2 different parts, like blanks plus 2 to 3 MCQs. So you should expect actually to do 3 MCQs in the part 4. So if the very next thing is, apart from number of questions, type, the third, the nature of the part 1, 2, 3 and 4. The nature of the part 1 is that it is actually a information taking part. Okay, so here generally information is being taken. There are basically 2 persons, one is taking the information and another one is giving the information. So this is really easy. Okay, students can easily start scoring band like 10 by 10 in the very first 10 days. Okay, so part 2 is called mini talk. So here there is actually a small talk on a particular topic, so it may be related to anything in the world, because the topic could be anything, but basically it is a mini talk, and generally we can expect a single speaker here. Now the part 3. This is really, as I have already told, that this is challenging, and this part is actually called discussion. So here actually pupils, like students, they actually discuss a topic, and so speakers could be 3 or more. So there is very rare that speakers are 2 in part 3, because then there will be nothing to discuss. So you may have done your part 3 with like 2 students and 1 trainer or the teacher, and they are discussing the scores of assignment, something like that. So it is always a discussion. The last is lecture. So this is again, you can expect only 1 speaker here. So this is all about listening. This is actually only 50% about listening. Else, if you want to know more about listening so that you may score band 9, actually a perfect band 9 score, you must come here. Okay, you can apply for the online coaching, because I have told you that you can email me anytime at amritkaur629@gmail.com, or here I am teaching at Spire Fund Pathways, Jatong, so you can visit our institute as well. Okay, so I hope that this information is new and may be very useful to you all guys. Thank you. Keep sharing and helping the students actually who need it. Thank you.